Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to GK class, 38th lesson, Classical Dances. Indian dance can be divided into classical, folk and modern types. The classical tradition is at least 2000 years old. India evolved a type of classical dance drama that combines movement, gesture, singing, music and costumes. Yes, children, India is divided into classical, folk and modern types of dances. Okay, so Indian dance can be divided into classical, folk and modern types. Now classical tradition is very old. It is 2000 years old and India is famous for classical dance drama which combines movements, gesture, singing, music and costumes. Kathakali. It is a classical dance form of Kerala. The word Kathakali literally means story play. Kathakali is known for its heavy elaborate makeup and costumes. In fact, the colorful and fascinating costume of Kathakali have become the most recognized icon of Kerala. During the drama, the dancers do not speak. The hand movements and mime are so varied as to constitute a complete sign language. Yes, children, in Kathakali also, they will not speak, and it is a classical dance form of Kerala. What is the meaning of Kathakali? Kathakali means story play. What they will do is, they will have a heavy makeup and costume also, children. They will be very colorful, and that only has become an icon of Kerala. These dancers and this drama, during the drama, these dancers will not at all speak. Only their body language, hand movements only will tell us what is a complete story in a complete sign language. Kathak. It is a classical dance form of North India. Subtle dance that emphasizes footwork and speed. Kathak is said to be derived from the word katha, meaning the art of storytelling. In ancient India, there were kathakars or bards who used to recite religious and mythological tales to accompany of music, mime and dance. Yes, children, Kathak, it is a dance form of classical dance form of North India, and it is famous for its footwork and speed. Kathak, it is derived from the word katha, that means the art of telling stories. In ancient India, children, they were called as kathakars or bards who used to tell the story of mythological tales and religious tale. With that music, mime and a dance, we would know what is the story of that tales. Manipuri. Manipuri dance originated in the northeastern state of Manipur. It is characterized by a variety of forms that are linked to folk tradition and ritual. The most striking part of Manipuri dance is its colorful decoration, lightness of dancing foot, delicacy of abhinaya, that means drama, lilting music and poetic charm. Yes, children, Manipuri dance is originated where? In the northern east state of the Manipur only, and it is characterized by the various form, like it might be folk tradition or ritual, and this dance has more colorful decoration and there will be a lightness of dancing foot, and there will be a abhinaya. Abhinaya means drama. and the pleasing music and the poetic drama will be there in the Manipuri dance. Odissi. It is a popular dance form of Odisha, considered to be over 2000 years old. Yes, children. Odissi is a dance which is very old, that is 2000 years old, and it is a popular form of Odisha also. It was initially developed in the temples. Yes, children, this dance is always played in the temples. Many of the dance poses are sculpted on the exterior of the temples in the Odisha. Just you see the temples, children, you can see the forms of the Odishas. Exterior means outer side of the temples. On the walls it might be. Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam, it is one of the oldest dance style of India. It has its roots in the classical dance tradition of Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is performed by the female soloist who portrays different characters in a story. She interprets. The dancer uses a language of her hand gesture to interpret her song. Yes, children. Bharatanatyam is the oldest dance style of India. It is the classical dance tradition of Tamil Nadu, and it is performed by one lady, female, who can play all the characters of the story, and she interprets with her language. What are the language in that? That is a hand language. The dancers use a language of hand, gestures to interpret a song, to complete the song. Kuchipudi. It is an indigenous dance form of Andhra Pradesh. The dance performance begins with the sprinkling of holy water and burning of incense. The goddesses of learning, wealth and energy are evoked. All roles were traditionally played by men, now also played by women. Yes, children. Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is a dance form of Andhra Pradesh. This, how they will start means they will sprinkle a holy water and they will light a incense sticks, children. Why they will do this? They will invoke the blessings of goddesses of learning, wealth and energy, and all roles will be played by men also and women also. Satriya. It is a classical dance form of us. It is highly devotional in a character, bhakti rasa, spiritual aspect, in the predominant in this dance form. This dance form was evolved in Assam in the 15th century by the great Vaishnavite saint Sri Sankara Dev, who was social reformer and a great performing artist. Yes, children. Satriya. Satriya is a dance form of Assam and it is highly devotional in character. So it is called as Bhakti Rasa. And this dance form was evolved in Assam in the 15th century by the great saint Vaishnavite and Sri Sankara Dev, who was a social reformer and a great performing artist. Now, Mohiniyattam. It is a classical dance form of Kerala. Mohiniyattam dance form is a beautiful feminine style with surging flow of blood movements. Mohiniyattam dance form is a beautiful feminine style with surging flow of body movements. Mohiniyattam dance in Kerala developed in the tradition of Devdasi system, which later grew and developed into the classical status. Yes, children, Mohiniyattam is a dance. Who will play this? It is played by the female who will do her flow of, by the flow of body, she will tell us the story. And this dance is a famous in Kerala. And Mohiniyattam in Kerala was developed by in the tradition of Devadasi style. Mohiniyattam in Kerala was developed in the tradition of Devadasi system, and now it is grown as a classical status. Now we will see the match the following. Kathakali, yes, Kathakali is a dance form of Kerala. Kathak is a dance style of North India. Manipuri means originated in the northeastern state of Manipur. Bharatnatyam has roots in the classical dance tradition of Tamil Nadu. Kuchipudi is dance style of Andhra Pradesh. Odissi, it is a dance form of Odisha. Here completes your GK lesson. Thank you.